So I have this laptop in front of me right now, and honestly after looking at the specs, I have one big question. Is Dell finally giving Indian buyers what they actually deserve? Because see, there is something about this laptop that most people are not talking about it, and I'm going to tell you exactly what is it. But first, stay till the end because there is one thing about this laptop that either make or break your decision, and most reviewers are not talking about it. Dell 15 DC15260, and Dell has launched it in two variants, one with Intel Core Ultra 5 225H and another with Intel Core Ultra 7 255H. Now these are not last year chip, not old stock. These are the brand new Intel Arrow Lake processor. So you are getting the latest silicon and the starting configuration 8GB DDR5 RAM and 512GB SSD. Now let's talk about the display. 15.6-inch Full HD 300 nits brightness, and it has an anti-glare coating. So if you're sitting near window or under tube light, the screen is not throwing everything back at your face. This is actually very critical things for an Indian work or college setup. Body is plastic, and honestly that is fine at the price point. Okay, performance. The Core Ultra 5 225H 14 cores run up to 4.9 GHz. Office work, college project, multitasking, light editing. Handles everything without any issue. If you go for the Ultra 7 version, it gets even more powerful for heavier tasks. But here's the part nobody really talking about. This laptop has a built-in NPU chip. That means it is officially an AI-ready laptop. There is even a dedicated Copilot key on the keyboard. So Microsoft AI features on Windows 11 right there, one key press away. Now you might say, okay, but do I need AI right now? Honestly, maybe not today, but this is future-proofing your purchase. Okay, so remember I said there is one thing that can make or break your decision. This is the thing that will decide whether this laptop worth it for you long term or not. Let's talk about what you can upgrade in this laptop and what you absolutely cannot. You can upgrade RAM, come with 8GB DDR5. There is a free slot. You can add another stick. Go to 16GB or even 32GB later. Your budget, your choice. SSD 512GB out of the box. You can swap it for bigger drive whenever you need more storage. Things you cannot upgrade: processor. Whatever you pick, Ultra 5 or Ultra 7, that is fixed forever. Choose wisely before buying. Display, the 300 nit Full HD screen is what you get. No swapping. So if display is your top priority, keep this in mind. So the smart move, buy it with 8GB now, update RAM later when your budget allows. That is actually what makes this laptop a really solid long-term investment compared to most laptops where RAM is fixed permanently and you cannot do anything about it. The 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD is fast. Boot time is really quick. Apps open instantly. No complaints there. For ports, you have USB-A, USB-C, HDMI and a headphone jack. Everything a regular user needs is covered. And there is a full-size keyboard with a number pad. If you're doing Excel work or data entry, you will genuinely appreciate that. For the students, reliable, light, upgradable. For the work professionals, office, teams, multitasking, does it all. Long-term buyers, RAM and SSD upgradable, grows with you. Heavy gamers or video editors, no dedicated GPU, this is not for you. If your daily work involves office, browsing, college, coding, light editing, this laptop is very solid pick in this price range. Dell service network in India is also strong, so after sales support is not going to be an issue. That is Dell 15 DC15260. Any questions, drop in the comment. I will reply. This laptop is available in our store. We also repair, upgrade, refurbished laptops and accessories. 30+ stores across India. Link is in the description. If this video helped, subscribe. See you in the next one.